Damon, show me.
Tell them how you really feel.
Hello guys, welcome to my first stream in a long time. Today we're going to be running through a entry to the Trijam number 88, which the theme for that is hot potato. It's going to be pretty interesting. I am pretty rusty with phaser and all the stuff I'm going to be using, so we'll see how it goes. It's going to be really fun. So without further ado, Damon, main screen. Damn it. Damon, main screen.
Showing your computer screen.
Alright, so as you can see, I'm starting with a completely empty repository. The only thing I've done prior is just literally created the GitHub repository. So we're going to officially start right now. And I'm going to do that by saying, Damon, 3-hour timer. Damon, 3-hour timer.
3-hour timer has begun.
There we go. Alright, 3-hour timer has begun. It's on. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, whoopsies, github.io, read my own tutorial on how to set up my environment and literally just copy paste commands and stuff, because first thing we want to do is do npm init, I believe. Yep. Okay. So npm init. Boop, 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 boop. Now we're going to install all of our dependencies. Or our dev dependencies, that is. Give that a minute to install. By the way, I don't know if anyone's here yet, but that that link down in the bottom left corner won't work until I've got my dev server running. So stand by on that one. Okay, dev dependencies have installed. Now we'll install phaser as our only production dependency. Alright, good to go. Now, with our dependencies installed, we can skip through all this, and we'll want to throw in, okay. Make directory, excuse me, source touch dot slash source slash game.js. And we'll grab our handy dandy npm commands and chuck those in our package. Okay, save that. So now we need to do our webpack.js, the webpack.config.js? Yeah. Okay, webpack.config.js. And I know for a fact that that's not the final version of it. Babel RC as well. Preset environment to Babel RC, close that. Now I'm gonna get, so we also want a source slash main.css. Import that in game. We want a source slash index.html. index.html. Call this Hot Tots, because that's what the game's going to be called. Okay. Okay, so now we need to set up our assets folder, I believe. Yeah, static assets, okay. Let's see. That's our final Webpack config. game. Now we need a directory in here called scenes. And we need a boot scene and a game scene. Boot scene. Oops, not a folder, a file. Game scene. Okay. So this is what the boot scene looks like, just for our little bootstrapped project. And then there we go. Now we need source/assets. Save this guy. Trijam source assets. Just get rid of one on there. Boom. Alright, cool. Welcome, viewers. Just a heads up, that link in the bottom left corner of the scene of the stream won't work until I've got my dev server running. But we're almost there. So jack this, put this in game scene. And that might be it. Okay. npm run start. Any errors? Hopefully not. Clock is running. There we go. Hot tots. Boom. We've got our little cat that we can move around. Oh, that works, but there is no content when you said that, says GLN. Okay, cool. There should be content now, because I've got the ngrok thing running. I still probably am not saying that right, but anywho. Now, it's time to start customizing this to make our actual game. Oh yeah. So we're going to throw in a little bit of CSS first. Margin 0, padding 0. And canvas will be a display block. Boom. Okay. Don't need webpack config anymore. This we're going to change from fixed numbers to window.innerWidth and window.innerHeight. Boom. Now it takes up the whole screen. Perfect. Get the console open because no doubt we're going to need it. Okay, cool. So that's our setup done. Close out of that. Now, let's see. I've got particle stuff open, but that's not really what we want. Let's see. So I guess the first thing we're going to do is we're going to need... You're going to get back to Netflix now. All right, no worries, man. See you later. So first thing we're going to want to do is create a new sprite sheet for the top half of our potato man. So because I want the potato man to be 16 by 16, we'll make this 16 by 8. And we're going to draw some potato man. Or just the top half, anywho. Okay. I'm not feeling super confident that we're gonna get this whole thing done in 3 hours, but gotta give it a try, right? Give him some sunglasses. I've premeditated what this character's gonna look like a bit, so hopefully I don't get docked points for that. Boom. Alright. Got his dope shades on. Give him a couple little marks because he's a potato. Cool. That is the top half of our potato. I don't really think it needs to move, so I'm going to keep it simple. And we'll call it MC Tater top. Now I want to put this in Trijam 88 source. Actually, whatever. I'm just gonna throw it all in assets for now. Probably not the best place to put it, but it's all good. So export a sprite sheet. We want the output file. Boom, done. Okay, let's do another one. And that is 1, 2, 3 pixels in from the side. So 1, 2, 3. I just realized he doesn't have his little tank on his back. I want to give him a little tank. Boop. Can't tell if the song just restarted or not. Not really sure. Anyways, hopefully that tank looks okay. Ended about there. And then we're 1, 2, 3 in from the other side. So 1, 2, 3. That's a little too big though, because we need him to have little stubby legs that are gonna run. Boom. That ought to do. Got his little stubby legs going. Give him some more potato marks. And give him his arms too. Although actually I kind of wanted arms to be in the top half. Although it's probably not gonna work, is it? Let's see. What can we do about that? That looks a little wet and janky. Let's throw it down here. Do my best to draw a little flamethrower for him. That's gonna have to do, I guess. And connect the flamethrower to the tank with a little hose or whatever. Boom. There we go. So now we need to MC Tater bottom. Oops, I called it MX. MC Tater bottom. Now we need to draw a little run animation and a jump and fall animation. So this will be his standing frame. Can't remember what the new frame alt in. There we go. Turn on the onion skinning. Erase his legs. Oops. Little not awesome, but I mean, this is a 3-hour game jam, so I gotta not be picky here. Maybe we'll give it one more frame, just so that it's got like a, oops. Wasn't it Alt-C? What is it? Oh, Alt-N. Alt-N. Okay. Those. Now let's see it. Cool. That'll do. Now we need a jump. So we're gonna group these frames. Tags, new tag, run. Beep, 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 beep. Now we're gonna go Alt-N, make a new frame, new group, jump. Oh crap. That's not what I wanted to do at all. Frame, type properties, 3. Okay, there we go. Frame tags, new tag, jump. I don't know, something like that. That could be jump slash fall, I suppose. Should it? No, that can be fall. Call this one fall. Tags, tag properties, fall. Alt N. Frame tag properties. 4 to 4. I'll make a new tag. Oops. Tag. This one will be jump. Oh, that's weird. Kind of moved it around, I guess, just because the labels don't fit quite right, but whatever. So jump. Just gonna axe that, copy that, put that there. Whoa, what is happening? Alright. There. It's still not on the right one. Yes, it is. Okay, it just wasn't updating. Cool, we're good. Okay. That was a lot of work. This is going much slower than anticipated, so yeah. Prob's not gonna finish this on time, but do my best. Erase this block. Oops, put that one there. So that can be his jump, I guess. It's kind of jank, but whatever. Okay, export sprite sheet, we're done. MC Tater bottom. Okay, MC Tater top, I already exported this, I'm just gonna make sure, yeah, okay, cool. Okay, so, next thing we're gonna wanna do is go into our boot scene. We're gonna ditch the cat, because we're not actually going to need a cat. We'll comment out all this for now. Some of it might come in handy later, so we'll keep it around. Cool. Now preload this dot load dot sprite sheet. Key will be potato or MC top. URL is assets slash MC tater top.png. Frame width is 16. Frame height is 8. Boom, that's 1. MC bottom. Guess I probably could have just used an image for that one, seeing as it's only one frame, but whatever, too late. MC tater bottom.png. Same frame width and same height. Alright, cool. Okay, so we got both our sprite sheets loaded in. Let's make sure it works. Cool, no errors. Now we need to create some animations. For that, I'm going to reference some source code. Am I? What am I going to do? This.anims.create. Oh dear. Okay, I'm going to look up the documentation for this real quick. Phaser 3 anims create animation. This ought to be good. So key, we're gonna call this run or MC run. Duration. Repeat will be -1, so it'll loop infinitely. Let's see. Scene.anims.create. Where do we specify which? Oh god, it's been a while since I've done this. Frames are let's just see what we can find here. Sprite sheet animation, phaser 3. This is version 2. Let's see, what am I looking for? Jeez. Here we go. This is what I was looking for. Frame rate, that's what I'm missing too. Okay. Frame rate, we'll do 5. Frames, generate frame numbers. I'm gonna jack that. Right, okay, so this dot asset, that's where we get the frames, the numbers, the frames from. Okay. It's all starting to come back to me. Let's see. MC bottom. Imagine, I think you can do it like that. Key, and then configuration. Okay. Start 0. whoopsies. That was a little test map I was working on. So we want 0 to 2. 0 to 2. Okay, so that's our run animation. Also gonna make a idle animation, which is just gonna be 0 to 0. We're also gonna make an MC jump, which is just gonna be 4 to 4, 4 to 4. Do an MC fall animation, which is just 3 to 3. 0 based indexes, that's why I'm doing the frame number -1. So that's our animations created. Let's see if it gives us any problems in the browser. No problems. Awesome. Okay. So we got our animations, we've got our sprite dude loading in. So now the next step is we're gonna have to create. Okay, so I'm gonna look up phaser 3 extend container. So I believe it's a container we're gonna want to use here. Okay, so we're going to make a new folder in our source. This one's going to be called sprites. New file will be mc, lowercase mc, tater.js. MC tater. So we need to import game objects from phaser. Game objects from phaser. And I'm just going to import MC tater. I guess I need to make a class before I do that. So MC tater extends const container equals game objects. MC tater extends container. Constructor. Yes.
Kirk, are you on the resident Wi-Fi?
No.
Are you on the 5G?
Yeah.
What was the password for that?
Same.
Wait, that's our Wi-Fi.
Sorry, Erlene, I'm live right now.
Sorry.
It's okay.
That's a security breach. I need to log.
Sorry guys, I'm having to battle a bit for the internet, so if anything happens and I get cut off, it's just because my situation where I'm living right now, the internet is not awesome. Hopefully all is well. I'm just going to keep plowing along and see what happens. And look at that, no errors. Awesome. Okay. So now let's look at how we extend container. So it looks like pass in a scene, an X, a Y, and the children. And then we super it. But I'm not going to import the children. I'm going to create the children myself. Const children equals array Let's see, so what should I do for the children? Okay, let's see here. I guess what I can do is go with this, and we'll say scene.add or dot. Do I want physics.add or do I want just add? I think I just want add. Sprite. Cool. Working so far. Throw my boot scene over here so I have references to all my bits and pieces that I loaded in. So we want MC bottom. Presumably on the bottom. This looks a little different than what I remember. I thought it was an X, Y, and a key. Okay, I'm gonna look up the new documentation on adding sprites. This is a bummer that I have to do this, but... Okay. That's V2. Like it's just an XY. Hoping this tutorial is not old, but okay. Let's see here. So 0, 0. Maybe it's just referencing the wrong function in VS Code. That sometimes happens. So we do bottom. Guess I should do top first. Gonna have to adjust them a little bit in a minute here. I might just do that right now actually, because I know that it's an 8 pixel difference, so I should probably be able to do that. Let's see what happens. Okay. Let's see here. Scene.add. We do that after super again. Okay. Scene.add.existing. This. Now in the game scene, we're gonna say this.mc equals new MC tater, and we're expecting the scene, so that would be this X, which will be 0 for now. Let's just do 100, 100. That's it. See what happens. Hey, look at that! We got our little potato man. Yes, awesome! It worked. I can't believe that worked on the first try. It was a painful first try, but it worked. Okay, so now we can start messing with it. Set scale. Do let's say 4. Ooh. Oh, I know what's going on here. We need to enable pixel art. Now where do we enable that is the question. I don't know what it's called. Shit. Phaser 3, enable pixel art. Whoop. Pixel art. Oh, you can set a zoom property on the game config? That's sick. Didn't know that. Pixel art true. Okay. Boom, there we go. Got our little man. Now I can't see his legs because the background is black. We can change that. In the game scene, we just have to go s.cameras.main.set background color. It's a string or a number, so we can do 0x. RGB, so it would be make red like 33, green like 99, and CC for blue, sure. Boom, look at that. Got a little potato man. Now we gotta start adding controls to it. Oh, actually, it looks like the next thing I wanted to do on my list was the map tile sheet. So let's do that real quick. That'll be easy. I'm just gonna make it like dead simple. So we'll do 16 by 16 tiles, but we're gonna do, I guess 3 of them. Do I want 3? Yeah. Nah, how about just 2? 3. Okay. Oh crap, I did that wrong. Jeez. Type 3. 3 times 16, so that's 32. 48? Yeah. There we go. That looks better. We'll add an alpha channel, cut that out. Go image, configure grid, horizontal 16, vertical 16. View show grid, view snap to grid. Perfect. Okay, so now we need to throw a little bit of color in here. I'm gonna make a brown one for the dirt. Let's see, where's some brown? Brown. And, oops. Do more brown, but this one we're going to throw a little bit of grass on the top. Pencil. Change the color to that green we had before. That was quite a nice green. Alright, cool. That ought to do for the grassy tile. And now we'll just make like just a gray cement wall, rock wall kind of thing. Gray, darker than that. It's kind of a green still, so we'll make it a little more gray. And boom. Alright, that can be our tile set. Oopsies. Okay. Map tile set. So that's tile set. Is that the right word? Yeah. I just get to see my resume. Exciting. Oh, that's Devstream, that's what I want. I want games, and I want Trijam 88, source, assets, tile set. Boom. Alright, cool. Got our tile set. So the tiles are 16 by 16, so we'll go new tile set, based on image, 16 by 16. Source will be, it's that test game I was running. We want Trijam 88, assets, tile set. Save as. Again, not that folder. We want Source assets. Tile set. Yeah. Boom. Okay. Gonna add a custom property to all of these. That will be a boolean. Collides. Check it off all of them. Okay, sweet. Okay, guys, I've got a feeling I might get shut down here pretty quick. If that's the case, I'll just keep going and submit my game, but I might have to cut the stream. Really sorry if that happens, folks. Now we want to do file new map, orthogonal. Doesn't really need to be that big, but let's do 50 height, I guess. The tile size will be 16 by 16. Boom. And this will be map 1. So if we get the time, which I kind of doubt we will. Oh, right. We want TMX for the tile map thing. Whoa. Why is it so big? There we go. Okay. Alrighty, let's make us a map. Just a really quick dummy map to get us started. Something like that. Throw a couple of walls on either side. Boom, boom. Dump the dirt in there. Okay, throw a couple little islands or something just so that we can jump around. Alrighty, cool. Export as map. Oh wait, hang on. Gotta embed that. Embed tile set. Now hopefully that works. Hope I wasn't supposed to do that at the start, but we'll find out. Trijam. Okay. Alright, so now that we've got our map, we're going to have to import it. I'm going to bring up the Rex Rainbow documentation on that. No, I got this here. This'll work. Oh, what did I do? Can't I click anything? There we go. Okay. Now let's see here. I need to emulate this, so in the preloader, we're going to add this.load.image, tiles, assets, slash, tile set. Tile set, so it's Gucci, assets slash tile set. Now we want to add the call to load tile map tiled JSON. We're going to call this map 1. And we're going to go assets slash map JSON. Cool. So that should be all we need for the preloading. Now we go to the game scene. After creating the MC tater, we'll go, wait, actually, yeah, you know what? Just keep it simple for now. Okay, so we'll go this dot map equals this dot make tile map map 1. I don't think I need to specify the tile width and height, but I could be wrong, so we'll see if we need that. Const tile set equals map dot add tile set image tile set. I should name this, call this solid. Export that again. We'll say const layer equals map. Oh, we want this dot map. This dot map. This dot map. Dot. Create dynamic layer. Solid. Probably don't need a dynamic layer, but I'm just going to follow the example until we get it working. And look at that, it works. Beauty. So now I'm going to make an object layer in the maps. So we'll call this spawn point. Create one right here. That will be MC. Export that. Now we're gonna go const spawn layer equals this dot map dot get layer. No, what do I want? Get object layer? Yeah. Name will be spawn points. I think that's what I call it. Yes. Console log spawn layer. Let's just see what that looks like for us. Boom. In the objects, we have the MC. Perfect. So we'll make a new variable called spawn point equals spawn layer dot objects. Now we'll go for let I in spawn points. Oh, I called it pointers. Points. Spawn points. Oh god, what am I doing? Try that again. Okay. We'll go, what are we looking at again? So we're saying objects, ID, so yeah, we want type. So if, we'll just make a new variable called const point equals spawn points I. We'll say if point dot name equals MC. And we'll drop our main character in there. But we'll call it at point.x and point.y. Also, I'm going to try out that zoom feature of the configuration. I don't know if that's going to do what I want it to do, but if it just zooms in and I don't have to worry about anything, that would be so handy. Zoom 4. What's it do? Oh my god, it works, kinda. It scrolls it hardcore though. Oh, that's annoying. Okay, so that's not quite what I want. Damn it. Fine. That's okay. We can get around that. We'll say this dot cameras dot main dot start follow this.mc. Make sure the camera center's on him. It does. Perfect. Now we're gonna go this.cameras.main.set zoom 4, and that should get us zoomed in nice and close. Perfect. Okay. Now that we've got that working, we can start looking at adding physics to our character, which I'm like so way overdue to do, but that's okay. I don't think we're gonna get this game as baller as I was hoping, but no worries. So we'll say, how do we do this right? We'll go scene.physics.add.existing this. See if that does it. Sort of. The container is like super not centered, but weird. Okay. Well, I guess first, before I do any of that, let's just go this.physics.collider or add.collider this.mc with the layer. Hopefully that'll... No? Okay. Wait, were we overlapping that? Yes, we were. Okay, I think we're gonna have to fix that, spawn point, or the width, sorry, of our map being, of our character being super huge. Oh wait, no, I know what I'm missing. Hang on. We want to go this.map.add. Is it map or layer that we do this on? I can never remember. Layer.add this.map.add collision. Oh god, I can't remember the function. Add collision by property, I think. Add collision by property. Phaser 3. Search. There we go. Good. Is it add collision or is it set collision? Set collision by property. Phaser 3. Colliding by property. Layer.sit collision by property. So it is on the layer, it's not on the map. That makes more sense. Layer.set collision. It's right there. By property. Collides. And there you go. Box is still huge, but at least it's stopping on the map now. So now we just got to get the size of our character box down. Let's see. So to do that, what are we gonna do? Yes, set size. Boom. So we'll go this.set size 16 by 16. Hopefully that's the right. What? That's not right. That's not right at all. Is it size I want, or is it hit area maybe? No, it's not hit area, that's for clicking. Set size, that's what I thought it was. Keep that open, that'll be useful. This we're done with, so phaser 3 container set block size. Container width and height. Try the set display width. Set display size. Let's see if that was it. Whoa, no. Anything? Yes, it showed it for a brief second. It disappeared. Okay, what happens if I make it smaller? Is it gonna change? No, it's not changing the box at all. Okay, that's irritating. This dot physics dot set size? No, didn't think that was gonna work. Okay. See what we can get out of the docs. Display width. So the display width of this game object, this value takes into account the scale factor. Oh, interesting. Okay. The native unscaled width of this game object. Okay, so changing this value will not change the size of the game object rendered in the game. For that, you'll need to change set the scale of the game object set scale, or use the display width property. Interesting. Okay. If you have enabled game object for input, no, haven't done that because that's clicking and stuff. It's really irritating that the set size isn't working. Oh, I wonder. It's like being added after. Ah, look at that. It was just the ordering. Boom. Look at that. Hoorah. Okay. Still, she'll go like -2 and 6 for that, maybe. Let's try that. D's. A little more though. So, -4. There we go. Perfect. I'm going to turn the physics debugging off just so we can see how that'll look. Hey, that's ace. Perfect. Okay. Update. We're going to make an update function that we're going to call in the update loop of the scene. So we'll say, we'll make the cursors object. So we'll say this dot cursors equals Excuse me, that thing that we had in here, input, scene.input. What am I doing? So we want scene.input. Then basically we're just doing the same thing as what was in that cat example. So cons left up, right down, blah blah. If left dot is down, this dot set velocity x 10. Let's just test that out. Oh, because we're not calling the update function in the game scene, right? So we're calling it this.mc, so in update we'll say if this.mc, this.mc.date. Uh-oh, set velocity x is not a function. No. Maybe we have to call it on the body. Yeah, that did it. Cool. 10 is pretty slow, so we'll say else if. Oops, not left dot is down, we want right dot is down, and we want that to be positive. Yeah, buddy. Else this dot body dot set velocity x 0. Look at that. Now we can move. Hurrah! We're getting there. Woo! I have no idea what my timer's at. My dude hasn't like announced the halftime yet, but I don't know if I trust it. Okay. Just check my uptime real quick. It's gonna go matrix on you guys, but I'm just gonna check this real quick here. Oh, only an hour. Okay, cool. So I guess I haven't hit the halftime yet. Sweet, my timer's still working. Cool. So now we want to go. Ah, shoot. I guess. Ah, shoot. I always forget how tricky it is flipping containers in Phaser. So we'll say make a new function. We'll call it set flip x flip if flip. Actually, I don't even need to do that. I can just pass it straight in. So I'll say this dot children for each child dot set x flip. Might work. Gonna find out. This dot set flip x. True, so it will flip when we go left, and false when we go right. Set x false. For each of undefined draft. Okay, so we'll just, before we do anything, we're just gonna console log this. See what we're dealing with here. MC Taker. Okay. Do we not have a children? No, we don't. Okay. Oh, list. That's what I want. Okay, sweet. List. This dot list. Hey, look at that, he flips. Bing, 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 bing. Sweet. Now we gotta get him so that he's actually running and jumping and falling and all that, so we gotta get the animations going now. So I usually do that in the update code, so we'll put a animation section down here. Now we need a touching ground thing, so we'll say const touching. I'll just call it on ground. Actually, I'll call it grounded. Grounded equals this dot body dot blocked dot down. For now, we'll just console log it just to see what it's doing. Make sure it's working right. False, 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 true. Perfect, it's working good. So, if grounded and this dot body dot velocity dot x does not equal 0. So this means he's on the ground and he's moving. So for this case, left or right, doesn't matter. We want to say this dot anims dot play. What was it? MC run, I think. I always set this to true. I'm not actually 100% sure what it does, but see if it works. Oh, cannot read probably play it on the file. Oh, right, because I'm calling that on the container, so we want to call that on. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, this is where I'm gonna need those references to. Oh, but can I not? Oh, I know what I'll do. This dot top equals children 0. Call it top sprite. This dot bottom sprite equals children 1. That ought to do the trick. I'll say this dot bottom sprite dot anims dot play blah 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 blah. Yay! He runs. Now we need it to say else if grounded. This dot bottom sprite dot anims dot play MC idle true. There we go. Alright, we're getting there. I'm gonna increase those frame rates a little bit. 5's not quite cutting it for me. I guess the other ones don't matter because they're all just 1 frame long, but. Alright, cool. Okay, so boop, 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 boop. MC Tater. So we've got our animations going for when you're running. So we'll throw in a jump command now. So we'll say if grounded and up dot is down. This dot body dot set velocity y. I think it would be negative. Let's just try it. Yep. Bump, 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 bump. We'll make it a little bit higher than that. We'll make it like 400. Whoa, not that high. 200. Perfect. Nice. Okay. Now we gotta get our jumping and falling animations working. So we'll say else if, so if it's not grounded at all, and body dot velocity, y is less than 0. Should I do less than or equal to? Probably not. Oh, but it's not grounded. Oh, whatever, I'll figure it out. So this dot body dot velocity y is less than 0. We'll say this dot bottom sprite dot anim stop play MC jump true. Hey, yeah, you. Nice. We got a little jump. Okay, cool. Now we gotta get the fall. Else if this dot body dot velocity dot y is greater than or equal to 0, this dot bottom sprite dot anim stop play MC fall true. Boom. That's cool, I like it. Obviously not the coolest animation in the entire world because we are working with a whole whopping 3 hours here to make this game, but that's okay. It's pretty decent. Yeah. Alright, boom, so moving on. I just want to make sure my stream assistant is still working, just so that it actually, just to know that it's going to tell me when the time is going. So, what's his name again? Oh, Damon, show me. Damon, show me.
Tell them how you really feel.
Okay, sweet, it's still working. Damon, main screen.
Showing your computer screen.
Cool, that's all I needed. Just wanted to make sure my assistant hadn't gone AFK on me. So next thing we're going to do is the Flamethrower particle system. And for that, I'm going to need to open up GIMP and make just like a just a red, I guess red, maybe orange, an orange pixel, maybe 2 pixels, 2 by 2, yeah, 2 by 2. So small. Such small. That same color as that green, but we'll do it more. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Save as. Or not save as, we want export. Crap. Oh, okay. Thought I just exported it over the tile map for a second. Had a little mini panic attack. Games, Trijam 88, source assets. We'll call this fire. Alright, discard changes because I don't need the XCF file on that. We'll go boot scene. And we'll import another image. This .image fire assets/fire.png. Should that load in? No problem. Good. Cool. That's loaded in. Now we need to create a particle emitter, and I want this to be part of, I don't know, the scene or my tater guy. Eventually we're going to have to do collision with other sprites. So that makes me think it should probably be its own thing. Yes, and also it should definitely be its own thing, because if I make it part of the container, it'll move around with me, which I don't want. Okay, so game scene. We'll go this dot flame. We'll say flame particle equals what is it? Okay, I think I've got the particle stuff open. Yes, sweet. Scene.add particles. This.add.particles. We want the key, so that will be fire. And now we'll say this.flamethrower equals this.flame particle dot create emitter. And now we have to get in all that stuff that I'm going to jack from here. Oh. Okay. Reload this so I can get the source code. Okay, so frame we don't have to worry about. X we will say is going to be I guess we should do it conditionally if the player is being added. So X will be point.x. Y will be point.y. Lifespan can be like 4,000 milliseconds. Speed will be between 400 and 600, like the example. Angle will be 0 to start, because that's going to be like a straight out from the side, from the right side. Yes, right side. Gravity Y, I'm going to make negative because we want it to sort of like float up instead of like falling down because it's fire, so it floats up. Makes sense. Scale will go. I don't know if this actually works properly, but I'm going to try it. 1 and 2, I guess. So it starts at 1 scale, ends at 2. So 2 pixel by 2 pixel, ends at 4 by 4. Quantity will make 2 of them. Blend mode can be add. Just like the example. So hot dots. Whoa! Okay, that was huge. That was nutty. Okay. Maybe I don't want that. Maybe I want that to be more like the example. And in the update function, we'll say if this.mc, say this.flamethrower.set position, this.mc.x, this.mc.y. Now it should follow me around. So indeed it is, but it's, I guess, too fast, maybe? Yeah, it's probably way too fast. Let's do 100 and 200. Okay, still fast. I'm gonna ditch the blend mode because I was turning them white for some odd reason. Yeah, there we go. Still really fast, so I don't think that's what we want. Let's go like 10 and like, I don't know, 50. There we go, now it's looking like a flamethrower. Awesome. Okay. I'm also going to throw on a property here to tell whether it's flipped or not. This dot is flipped equals flip equals flip. Now we'll say if this dot mc dot is flipped, offset it slightly to the right, so we'll say plus 10. Oops. Didn't work. Oh. Wait, flipped is to the left, so we want minus actually. So minus 10. Else this dot flamethrower dot set position. This dot mc dot x plus 10. This dot mc dot y. Okay, 10's a little much, but it is working, so that's good. Let's do like plus 2, minus 2. Yeah, that's better. Oh, we also gotta change the angle, so if it's flipped, the angle will be this dot flamethrower dot set angle 180, I think. This dot flamethrower dot set angle 0. Nice, we got a flamethrower. Yeet. It explodes everywhere when you run with it. Now I gotta make it so it only works when you push the space bar, and because when you run around with it, it kind of trails behind you, and that's not really the look I'm going for. But we can't increase the speed a bunch, because then it'll just make it like a particle beam instead of a flamethrower, so that's still pretty sweet though. I'm pretty hyped on that. That's pretty cool. Okay. Onwards. Particle system. Okay, we're not quite done that yet, so. I probably should have made it 1 pixel though. That looks a little big. That's okay. What was I doing? Yeah, right. So. I don't know how to get the space bar in Phaser. Phaser 3 space bar. Keyboard events. Space? Space. Space down. Cursor keys. Ah, create cursor keys. Nice. So space is already in the cursor keys. We're gonna. What I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make the flamethrower before I make the MC. I'm gonna pass in the flamethrower as another object, another argument. We'll say this dot flamethrower. Okay. I should do it, or should I just make another copy? No, I don't want to make another copy of cursor keys. I want to keep this clean. Okay. Flamethrower. Now we'll say this dot flamethrower equals flamethrower. Now we'll say I'm gonna need down, but we'll need space. If space dot is down, this dot flamethrower dot start. Crap, I can't remember what it is. Let's see. Start stop particle emitter phaser 3. Particle emitter start. Start is one of them. Stop. Nice. Else if space is not down, we'll say this dot flamethrower dot stop. And I want to make it so that you can't move or jump or anything when this space is down. So we'll do all of these controls in else. That ought to do the trick. Oh, but I do still want it so you can turn. Oh god. That's unusual. Also the layering stuff changed, but it's not really a big deal. That's weird. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I gotcha. Okay. Desktop body dot set velocity x 0 and we're gonna have the left and right, but we're just not gonna set the velocities. Nice. Now you can run around. Dope. Got our little potato man with our little flamethrower. Hot potato game is coming along. Just wondering if I should actually allow them to run around with the flamethrower going. Just gonna go back and just see what it was like. You know what? Actually, that could be kind of cool, because then it's like if someone's running behind you, you can like blast them while you're running, I guess. Yeah, sure. Let's leave it like this. Alright. Executive decision over. Okay. So, next up on our agenda, got the flamethrower particle system. We still haven't hit half-time, allegedly. So now we need the NPC potato sprite modules. Oh, right. I gotta make the NPCs. Okay. Alright, let's just make a new one in 16 by 16. Alright, that can be our NPC potato. Erase this up a little bit. Some legs. Give him some legs, give him some scared eyes or something. How does that look zoomed out? Oh yeah, that looks like a little scared potato. Perfect. Okay, now Alt. Is it? Alt N. Alt N. Hey, X-Killer Knight. Hey, sup? Long time no see. Working on a new project? Question mark. Yeah, we're doing an entry to the Trijam today, so we're trying to make a game in 3
1 hour,
hours.
30 minutes remaining.
Oh, that was 1 hour, 30 minutes remaining, I think. Okay, so we got an hour and 30 minutes left before our deadline for the Trijam. So yeah, the theme for the Trijam is hot potato, so we're making a game, show you what we got so far. You can also go to that link in the bottom corner and play it. You can access my local host, but this is what we got so far, X-Killer Knight. We got, you run around, you're a potato, you got a flamethrower, and basically you're gonna roast other potatoes and turn them into tater tots. We are now animating said other potatoes. How you been, man? Alright, let's see, we'll go... I'm gonna move this. There. Go like that. That. And like... that, and like that, and like that. Yeah, awesome. Not bad. Learning Forex trade at the Corona time. Oh, I see. Because of the coronavirus, you're learning about Forex trading. That's cool, man. I don't know nothing about financial stuff. How's it going for you? Are you finding it interesting? Let's see. We need a roasted animation too. So like, I don't know. What should we do? Make it like a really dark brown or something. This. Oops. Alright, let's see. Yeah, still learning, but I did build a house and a garage the last few months. Sweet, dude, that's pretty sick. Very cool. That's awesome, man. I'd love to build my own house one day. My granddad's like my hero, and he built his own little trailer park where he lived with my mom and their family. Okay, cool. So he goes run, 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 boom. Then he goes like toasted. Give him X eyes. Is that gonna look okay? Yeah, cool. That'll work. So we'll say NPC tater. NPC tater. Boom. Alright, now let's import them and start getting some NPC logic in place. So we got an hour and a half left, hey? Alright, I hope we can get something playable in an hour and a half. Again. So, first things first, we need to go to our boot scene, load another sprite sheet in, NPC, that's NPX, NPC, tater, it's going to be 16 by 16. NPC run, give it a 10 frame rate again. Is this C++ says Xkiller Knight? No, it's JavaScript. I'm using the Phaser.js framework like I used to before. NPC, and it's going to be start 0, end where? 0 to 2 again, okay. 0 and 2. There's 0 based indexes for the frames. That's why I'm minusing 1 from the frame numbers here. So got that. Repeat -1. Cool. Let's see here. We got that, and we also want to have the roasted animation. NPC roasted. NPC, and it's going to be start 3 and 3, and we can set the frame rate to like something low because it's not actually doing anything. Okay, we're loading it in okay, no problems there. So now we need to make a new game object. But this time we're going to extend sprite. Awesome language to know. I didn't know. I don't have the time to learn that. Oh, yeah. Are you talking about C++ or JavaScript? Because they're both awesome for their own reasons. Import game objects from Phaser. Now this time we'll say const sprite equals game objects. Now I need to know about extending sprites, not containers anymore. So extend sprite Phaser. Where's my Rex documentation? Rex Rainbow Sprite Phaser 3. Notes on Phaser 3. There we go. Game objects.sprite, so we want a scene, X, Y, texture, and a frame. Any of them. I like game dev, says Xkiller Knight. Right on, dude. Yeah, depends on the kind of games you want to make, but if you want to make web-based games, JavaScript is probably your friend. If you want to make like desktop heavier games, then C++ is a good way to go, man. I would also look into Godot if you're looking at making desktop games, like 3D stuff and all that. Godot is supposed to be really good. I haven't really messed with it too much, but apparently it's awesome. Scene, X, Y, we know the texture, we know the frame, so that's all we need from the constructor. Super. Scene, X, Y, we'll call it NPC, and frame. I get the feeling you don't actually need to specify the frame in the super, so I'm just gonna not. Or, you know what, I'll just put it at 0. Scene.add.existing. This. Alright, now we'll go export default NPC. JS. Bloop bloop. And like that, we got our NPC. Now, hopefully it works. Let's try it out. Guess we need a new object type. So that's our NPC spawn point. So let's make a few more spawn points. Let's make one here. Type NPC. Type NPC. Type NPC. Type NPC. Okay. Export that. So now, name is NPC. We'll say else if point dot type. I looked the construct and Unreal blueprint system. Look nice for a guy like me, but make thing limited. Okay. Like, so like you're talking about like the Unreal framework or whatever it is. The Unreal Engine, that's what I'm thinking of. So if the type equals NPC, then what do? We want to spawn, make a new array for these bad boys. We'll say this dot NPCs equals array, and we'll say this dot NPCs dot, oops, push new, gotta import it, so we'll say import NPC from .sprite slash NPC, new NPC, point.x, y, and we needed the scene first actually, so we want this, and point.x, point.y, sweet. So we just push all of them into that, and I guess we gotta add the colliders between them too. Now I'm wondering if I have to do that on an individual basis, or if I can just do an array. Try an array first, and if that doesn't work, we'll try it on an individual basis. Collider, this dot NPCs. I'm not seeing any of my little dudes. Let's turn physics debugging on again just to see if we can see the boxes. Don't see no boxes. Okay. Physics.add.existing. Yes. Maybe that would do something. NPC actually the right key, first of all? Yes. Okay. Let's see now. Aha, so the constructors aren't even getting called. That's a hint. actually export the map properly. Apparently I did. Just make sure I am actually spawn points. Ah, there is only one there. Does control E not export it? Not as image. Export as JSON. Replace, yes. Oh, there you go. Okay, I guess I just wasn't exporting it right. Oh, nice! The physics works too, so they all fall down and just, haha, sick. Alright, time to start blasting these fools. Alright, let's see. So now, gotta add some NPC logic here. Update. Constant. Grounded equal. You know what? I don't even need grounded. Let's see. Let's say, this stuff is flipped equals math.random create this 0.5. So that'll give us a true false 50-ish% of the time. And we'll say what else do we want? We want this dot set flip x. This dot is flipped. Now let's just see if that randomly flips them when they spawn. That one's pointing that way, that one's pointing that way, that one's pointing that way. They're all pointing that way. No. I don't think our flip's working. Oh, right, because we're not calling the update function. We need to do that. So in our game scene, we need to say if this dot npcs dot length, this dot npcs for let n this dot npcs n dot update. There we go, let's try that. Nice, that one's facing that way, that one's facing that way, that way, that way. Let's try it again. And use that way, that way, that way, and that way. Perfect, so they're flipping in random directions, that's good. Now we want to have them run, so have our animations code. If this dot, so if this is dead, so if it's not dead, which it won't be, we'll just set that to false for now. So if this dot is dead, we'll say this dot ends dot play npc run. Make sure they're all running. Perfect. Love that little run animation, that's awesome. I guess we can turn the physics debugging off again too, because we don't really need that. Okay. Zero. Oh, that was just me typing. Oopsie. Alright, let's see here. Game scene. NPCs update. Yeah, I do think I'm gonna have to simplify this game a bit because we're already into our final hour and a half. So we're past the halfway point, but we've actually got a decent amount to show for it, so I'm pretty happy with that. So I need them. I've got the dead state. It's running if it's not dead. Else this.animus.play. NPC roasted true. Let's just try setting that to true to see if it roasts them. Perfect. Awesome. That's cool. Okay. It's nice to see you alive, dude. See you later, says Xkiller Knight. Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks for hanging out. So we'll start that as false, so they're running now. Let's see. Now we gotta have them is gonna do another. It's kind of redundant, but that's okay. This is a 3-hour game jam game after all, so the code doesn't have to be perfect. Let's see. If this dot is flipped, this dot set velocity x negative 50. That to be this dot body. Else this dot body dot set velocity x 50. Nice, they're all running. Awesome. Okay, so now I want to have them so that they kind of like bounce off the walls. So let's see. Let's see. So const hit left equals this dot body blocked dot left const hit right equals this dot body dot blocked dot right. If hit left, this dot is flipped equals. So if it's hitting left, that means it's going left. So it means we need to flip it to false. This dot this dot set flip x. Oh wait, actually we don't need to do that, so we'll just handle that itself. Okay, else if hit right, this dot is flipped, it's true. Now let's see if they bounce around. Yeah, they bounce around, bounce around, bounce up, bounce get down. That's sick. Okay, I want to make this map a little bit more interesting because that's a really easy thing we can do and it'll improve our game drastically. So, have this little starting part. What did I just do? Oh god. Okay. Ditch that wall, put some grass there and there. Alright. Okay, so now the map goes down here. Throw a wall there, put that in, throw in a few more of these bad boys. More bad guys. Awesome. Re-export this. Let's try this out. Boom, boom. I still don't like that the flamethrower shoots backwards when you're running. That's sweet though, the map's a lot bigger. I like that. Okay, just wonder if there's any way I can get that to be better. Whatever. Deal with that later if I can, if we have time. So now we've got the states for being dead or alive. I should probably include that in the, oh, I already did. If it's dead, boom, okay. Now, we gotta make it so that if we collide the bad guys with particles, they turn roasted. Particle collision, phaser 3. I know there's a good, here we go, so on enter, source is source, contains, block of body, test XY. Okay, so we need to make a death zone for the flamethrower particles. So we do that in the flamethrower configuration, which is in the game scene. Death zone. Type is on. Enter. Source is, what do we want to call it? Just flame hit. Const flame hit equals contains X colon hit equals false for let n in this dot npcs if this dot npcs n dot body dot hit test x y. We will say this dot npcs n dot is dead is true, and say we can just return true out of this. And if we get out of the loop without hitting any of them, we'll say return false. Hopefully that doesn't take like a million years to load. Doesn't seem to be. Also, oh! Doesn't seem to be working quite perfectly, but it is kind of working. That's funny. Okay. So in NPC we gotta say if is dead. Else, so if it is dead, we'll say this dot body dot set velocity x 0. If I turn the gravity to nothing on that, would that work better? Gravity x 0 or y 0. What the hell? Okay, so it does sort of work better, but it's also being super wacky, so wondering why it's not doing a perfect collision. Let's see. You know what? I'm not going to return false out of that, or return true out of that. I'm going to make it so the particles don't actually disappear. Alright, well, we are roasting potatoes. Hit collision detection isn't perfect, but at least it's working. You know what I'm thinking we should do is we should make a timer. And if you get them all within the amount of time that is given for the level, then you move on to the next level and it gets harder and harder and harder, and that will be an easier way of doing this for sure. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Because all the other stuff I was looking at doing on here is kind of, I don't know, it's, it seems needlessly complicated. I do want to get the layering right first on that flamethrower though. So we'll say this dot flamethrower dot set depth. I hope that works. Yeah, it seems to work. Okay. 10. This dot mc dot set depth. Let's say 1. Let's just see if that works. If that does it, then we. Oh god, flamethrower dot set depth is not a function. What flame particle? Yeah. Cool. Oh. Cool. Alright, so now let's get a timer going on here. Let's see, so I know Phaser has some stuff for this, so Phaser 3 timer. Repeat timer, delay, repeat. Scene.time.add event loop true. I guess that's probably what I want. Evaluate theme. Let's see. What are we doing in this loop? We're every second we're just updating the timer, so that's what we'll put for now. Update timer. This dot timer text equals this dot add dot text. So we'll put it at window dot here divided by 2. 10. Text will be, let's see here. What are we going to put for the text? We want to put, like, how many you've killed, so we'll say 0%. This dot timer text dot set origin 5x. Y, and this dot timer text dot set scroll factor 0. So that should mean it sticks to the camera, but it's not even showing up, so that's weird. It's just looking at an example of text. Looking at examples for everything else. Phaser 3 text example. That's 2. Update text, that's also 2. Text notes on Phaser 3. Gotta love this notes on Phaser 3 thing. C.add.text. Okay. X, Y. Oh, I bet you this should be 0. No? Okay, fine. 100. Let's see what I check it later. What is me text? Maybe I just have to style it. So we'll say color is 0. Okay, where the hell is it? Oh wait, what am I? No, I'm in the right function. I'm in the create function. This dot timer text. This dot add dot text. Hello. Why you no work? Where is it? Yeah. Where has my text gone? I wonder if it's because I'm zooming. Oh, I bet you it's because I'm zooming. Crap. Height divided by 2. Leave that as is. I get the feeling. There it is. Yeah. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? I know what we're gonna do. Hey, Ben Halverson, what's up, man? Long time no see, dude. How you doing? Alright, so what's going on here? We gotta, I'm just gonna center the text over top of the dude's head, I think. Font size 10. Yep, it says Ben Halverson. Yeah. Just finished your lunch. Nice, dude. What'd you have? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna say, we're gonna put the timer text in. We are gonna leave the scroll factor on, actually. How's the game jam going? Asked Ben Halverson. It's going pretty good, man. This is what we got so far. We got a little potato man that runs around with a flamethrower, and you can roast other potatoes. And there's a bunch of potatoes that spawn all over the map, and you gotta roast them all. Spicy Italian Subway sandwich. Sick. That sounds awesome. So, let's see here. I'm gonna add this in with all the MC stuff. Timer text. We'll put it at point.x and point.y minus 10, I guess. And then in the update function, oh wait, no, we need to set the
45 minutes remaining.
Ooh, 45 minutes remaining. Okay, we got this. 45 minutes. Here we go. I'm so excited. So, timer text dot set origin 0.5. Now that should do. Now we need to make it so that the So if this dot MC, that means the text is there too. So this dot timer text dot x dot set position. This dot MC dot x. This dot MC dot y minus 10. We're probably gonna have to change that 10, but hey, actually it works. 10 looks all right. Hello. Nice. Now we're just gonna change it from hello to how much time is left. So this, hence the timer text. It's gonna be our timer. So minus 15, maybe get it a little bit higher. Perfect. That looks sick. Now we need to actually track the time, the seconds remaining. This dot seconds remaining equals, let's just give them a minute for this first level, make it real easy. So in the update timer, we gotta set that up too. So, right, I've got the docs open for timers. So we want to do this dot time dot add event delay 500 callback is this dot update timer callback scope will be this loop is true. And instead of 500, we want 1,000, so we want it to update every second. Then what? We want to, right, I'm going to separate that a little bit so it looks a little clearer. So the update timer function is going to reduce this dot seconds remaining by 1. And it's going to update the text. So this dot timer text dot set text. We want it to be this dot seconds remaining plus s. $59, $58, $57. Yeah. This is sick. Boom. Take that, potatoes. Nice. So 60 seconds is obviously really easy for the first level, but that's fine. We'll make the first level really easy. We'll make it easy for him. So I'm also going to just default the text to nothing. So it doesn't show hello over your head, it just shows nothing. And then boom! 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 Get some. So now, we gotta make it so if this dot seconds remaining equals 0, we'll say alert game over. I'm just going to do an alert for now just to test it. Be sick if we could get some sound effects in here though as well. That'd be really last minute, but swag wrecked, says Lemon Squeezy. I think that's an emoji, but I just haven't got that working on my overlay yet. Sorry, man. I'm just gonna read the emoji because that's cool. Alright. How's it going, Lemon Squeezy? What you up to? Now, how do we remove the timer? Timer. Hello, I'm good, brother. Playing some Tarkov. Some Tarkov? Never heard of that before. What is Tarkov? Escape from Tarkov. Okay, I'll have to look it up. Never heard of it. Okay, we're almost out of time, so boom, game over. Now it's gonna keep repeating game over, over and over. No, it's not. Okay, good. Just minus. Now we'll make it go to a game over screen, or just restart or something. I don't know. We'll figure that out in a minute. For now, just leave that out. But I know I do want to remove the timer, so we'll say this dot timer equals that, and then it's just timer dot remove. This dot timer dot remove, and then okay, cool. So I'm just gonna reduce this down to 10 seconds just to make it a little faster for testing. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And now it just stays at 0. Perfect. Do we need the S? I don't think we need the S. We just need the number. 9, 8. So yeah, we don't need the S. Alright, cool. So now we need to track how many, like what percentage of the, or we don't need the percent, but we just need the total number of NPCs and the total number that you've messed up. So we'll say and this dot NPCs n dot is dead. So if it isn't dead, oh no, that's a 1. Isn't dead, and we hit test them, they are dead, they become dead, and also we'll say this dot kill count plus plus. This dot kill count 0. This dot max kills equals this dot NPCs dot length. If this dot kill count is greater than or equal to this dot max kills, alert, you win. So now let's try and waste all these potatoes and see if we win.
Alright, that package is on the 12th on the front. Yeah.
Bam, you win. Sweet.
36 minutes remaining.
Ooh, 36 minutes remaining, okay. Here we go. I guess we need a scene for game over and whatever. So let's make a game over scene. Import scene from phaser class game over. Scene extends scene. Constructor. Super. Scene game over. Export default game over scene. Okay, we got 36 minutes, people. Game over scene.js. Oh no, not slash. Not a slash. Dot. Game over scene.js. Cool. I have to pee so bad, but I can't get up because we only have 36 minutes. Priorities, people. Okay, so now we'll go import game over scene from /scene/game over scene. Game over scene. Okay, so now that's in our scene roster. We should be able to switch to it. Game scene. So basically we're gonna make, if you win, it takes you to the next level, which we'll make in a second, but first we gotta make the game over screen. So you win, we'll deal with that later, but game over. Go this.scene.start. So what happens? We got 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. So now we need something on the game over screen. We'll go create. This dot title text equals this dot add text. My brethren, happy potato, yeah! That's sick, man. All right, we want. Oh, that's still. Oh no, it won't be zoomed in on this one. Okay, so we can say. Window.inner height divided by 2. Nope, we want that to be width. Divided by 2. Window.inner height divided by 2. Text will be game over. Style will be color is. Actually, I'm going to do color black, stroke, red, so that would be RGB F00, I think. You kind of look like a younger version of a guy named Worm Juice Dev, which isn't a bad thing. I find it all funny because he is also a game dev. Nice. That's funny. I just think it's hilarious that we're making a potato game and your name is literally Happy Potato. That's hilarious. Title text dot set origin 0.5. Let's see what happens. And my text isn't there. Bummer. Okay. I'm just gonna try white text. I might have been overcomplicating that. Okay. No follow notification? Oh, sorry, man. Did you just follow? Sorry, man. Not yet. I'm working on a new stream setup. Thank you very much for the follow. But yeah, no follow notification yet. But we'll do that. We'll do you one better. How about this? Damon, show me.
Tell them how you really feel.
Thank you, Happy Potato. Thank you for following the channel.
30 minutes remaining.
30 minutes remaining, so we got to get back to the game dev. But thank you, Damon. Main screen. Damon, main screen.
Showing your computer screen.
Oh crap! Don't take a screenshot. Yeah, I gotta add a follow notification, but doesn't happen yet. But thank you, Happy Potato. We'll make this red instead of that, and we'll say 30 minutes for what? Until the stream ends, says Happy Potato. Yeah, we're doing the Trijam right now, so it's a 3-hour game dev jam. A game jam, 3-hour game jam. So we gotta make a game in 3 hours, so we've only got 30 minutes left. So I gotta get to it. This.tweens.add targets. This.title text. Scale 10. I've never heard of a 3-hour game jam. That sounds perfect for me, says Happy Potato. Well, if that sounds perfect to you, check out trijam.itch.io. That's where they host it, and it's hosted by Rock Knight Studios, and it is super sick. Duration 5. I don't remember how tweeting works, so this is yet another thing I have to look up, but that's okay. Tween task. Targets, game object, alpha, from that to that, these linear, duration, repeat 0. Yeah, repeat 0, I want that too. And on complete, we will say this.set. No, I'm thinking in React, holy cow. This.scene.start. What is our game scene called? How often does this game jam occur? I'd love to do one, says Happy Potato. It's every weekend, man. They vote on a theme over the course of the week, and then they do the actual jam on the weekend. You should totally do one, man. It would be super fun. Scene game. I don't know if you can actually tween the scale, but I'm gonna try. Okay, so 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom. Okay, that didn't work at all. Oh, duration 5. Yeah, heard. What language is this? Says Happy Potato. This is JavaScript. I'm using Phaser.js as my my framework. Dun 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 dun. Sorry, I could only show it for a second because I thought this was still running in the background. Oh, you can scale the, you can tween the scale. Dope. Okay, so I need it to be even bigger than that because I want it to like go right past the screen. So scale, we'll make it like 30. How long have you been programming, says Happy Potato. I've been programming since I was like 12. And I'm 27 now, so it's about 15 years now. Game over. Sweet, it looks like the introduction to Stranger Things, except way more ghetto.
So 25 minutes, 42 seconds remaining.
Okay, 25 minutes remaining. But we've got a game over screen. We now just need to add some more scenes and obviously make it like have a playable difficulty because 6 seconds is totally not enough. And because this is a game jam, I would in theory make this way cleaner in like an actual production game, but in this I'm just gonna like literally copy the file and just plug in different maps. Stranger Things was a good show. I never finished season 2 or 3 though. Yeah, Stranger Things is sick. I love that show. You know what? I do want linear timing though. Ease linear. Okay, so it's game over. Ease linear. I don't need McTater. MC Tater. I don't need MC Tater. 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game over. Yeah, linear looks better. Alright, game scene. Need seconds remaining. We'll give them 30 for the first level. How's that? The fire particle looks like they have a parallax effect on them. Yeah, not intentionally if they do. I think it's just because they're scaling up. Yeah, 30 seconds is plenty for the first level, so boom. Okay, so I'm gonna rename this to not what I meant to do. Game scene. I want that to be level 1. Sure, automatically update the imports. That's cool. Scene level 1. Level 1. Level 1. And increase the gravity a little bit. Ooh, something's not working. Oh, right, because in the preloader scene, boot scene. Where's boot scene? Here's boot scene. I've never done a full game jam before. Mostly I'm always just busy with school and stuff, but Trijam sounds like it could, like I could easily do it. Yeah, man, totally. Trijam's sick for that because it's like, it's not a big commitment. It's literally 3 hours of your day, so, and it's only once a week, so it's pretty good. It's really fun, man. I would highly recommend you doing the Trijam. I have no idea what the theme for next week is going to be, but they'll start voting on it on Monday. Scene level 1. How's that? Does that work? Yeah. I just wish the particles would shoot ahead of me when I was running. That's like the one, my one bugaboo with this game that we've made so far. And you know what? I'm not gonna dick with the gravity right now because we kind of built it around 400. Okay. So that's level 1. We need the game over scene to also take us back to level 1. Level 1. And we've got to remember we only have like 20 minutes left, so... what are we doing? More levels. Yes. So copy that. Paste it. We're going to rename it to level 2. Paste it. Level 3. So literally, I mean, this is really bad coding on my behalf. Obviously, we shouldn't be just copying all of this into new files, but we're going to have to do it. Will you be streaming after the jam ends? Because I'd love to stay and watch, says Happy Happy Potato. Probably not today, because I really have to pee. But definitely in the future, I'll be doing more streams, man. And we have a Discord channel too, Happy Happy Potato, and I'll throw that in the chat at the end for you. And feel free to join our Discord channel and chat with us offline, man. It's kind of dead right now because I haven't been super active on it recently, but I'm bringing it back. Okay, so level 1 sends us to level 2. So we want to say, instead of alert you win, we're going to say this dot scene, scene.start, scene level 2. Boom, and that'll take us to scene level 2, which loads in map 2. Everything else is the same, should be. Hopefully there's, oh wait, we also want to change the time. Well, I'll deal with that when I actually make the level. and then level 3. 3, and then we just have to make the JSON files and put them in our boot scene. This will take us to start scene level 3. Okay, so let's build out our levels. Map2.tmx. But that. You just get back at it? Last time I saw you streaming was earlier this year, says KidQueb. Yeah, dude, I'm just getting back into it now. It's been quite a while for me. I'm pretty hyped on it though, man. It's so fun. Like, I forgot how fun it was. So, do something like that. And we'll dump there. Throw up a couple of walls so you can't just jump off the map. We're gonna make this the solid level layer. Object layer will be spawn points. Name of this one is MC. Draw all our grass on, make it pretty. How you been, KidQueb? I haven't talked to you in a while. Good, I actually started streaming myself shortly after you stopped. No way, dude. Didn't your laptop die or something? Sort of. I had a MacBook for work, but I got fired from the job, so I had to give the MacBook back. But I've got a good laptop now. Alright. Throw up a wall here too. Oh crap. Alright, sweet. That's a level. Now we just need to throw in some bad guys, or some NPCs. NPC. Gotta wrap up the workday, but glad to see you back on, says KidQueb. Nice, man, thanks. I'll be sure to check out your channel at some point and maybe tune in for a stream. That'd be sick, man. Thanks for joining me today. Good luck at work, man. Okay, that's map 2. Export as map2.json. Gotta make sure we have time to make a you win screen. I'd rather it not just be an alert. Need to go into the boot scene. And we're gonna snag that map1 JSON, do 2 and 3. 2 isn't going to exist, or 3 won't exist yet, but we'll uncomment that when we get 3 in there. Happy Potato says Vimlar P break. Oh, is that because I have to go pee? Because, like, accurate, dude. I'm like, if I sound super weird right now, it's because I have to pee so bad. Boom, 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 boom. So we know the game over screen works, so I want to waste all these. Oh. Shoot. Can I not see the emote? It says happy, happy potato. Yeah, sorry, not yet, man. My new stream overlays are a real work in progress. I've been really focusing on the voice commands, so I can do stuff like this, right? I can say, Damon, show me.
Tell them how you really feel.
It's a monkey on a toilet. It says happy, happy potato. That's too funny. I'm gonna try and get the emoji integration with my chat in future streams. So stay tuned. It'll probably come around. Anyways, got to get back to this because we have like probably 10 minutes left. So Damon, Damon, main screen.
Showing your computer screen.
All right. So for whatever reason, it ain't showing nothing on level 2. Level 1 starts scene. Level 2. Key is map 2. Why isn't it working? I'm just gonna make the boot scene jump me to level 2. See if that does anything different. No, it's just black. Shit. Why is it just black? Oh, I know why. Level 2. Level 1. Level 1. And level 2.
Nice.
Level 2. Now we need to import that into the game.js. Boop, boop. Level 1, level 2, level 2. Level 2. There it is. Okay, sweet. Alright, we got level 2 in there. So I'm gonna give it like 20 seconds to start and see how hard that is. $15, 13, 12, 11. Oh god, I don't know if 20 is going to be enough. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Bah! Nice. Okay, 20 was enough. It's a little bit harder though, so that's good. Now, okay. Got level 2, now we need level 3. Level 3. Level 3. Import it in here. 3. Okay, now it's in there. Let's see, and I'm gonna go back to level 1. Okay, now we need, what? Yeah, we need the map. So we need to make a new map again. Map3.tmx. Solid layer. Draw all the grass, quick. Okay, 3 levels is totally gonna be enough. I feel it. It's freaking me out that my that Damon isn't saying how long we have left. My little stream assistant. It probably means we're really close to the end. And I still really have to be. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Now we got all that. We can add our spawn points. Spawn points. Now we'll go on here and we'll say type is NPC. We'll copy that one. Wait, it says submissions are due in 2 days. It says Happy Happy Potato. Yes, submissions are, they give you the whole weekend to do it. They just they give you the whole weekend to do it, but you have to do your whole game in a 3-hour window. It's not like you get the whole weekend to do it. You have to do it in 3 hours, but you get to choose when you want the 3 hours to be over the course of the weekend. So I'm just choosing to do it now, early, get it done with. Not that it's like something I want to get it done with. I was just really excited and I wanted to stream it and I'm really hyped. But yeah, so okay, here, let's export this now. Map3.json. Oh, so I can definitely do it this weekend. Oh yeah, I didn't even think about that. It's only Friday, right? So yeah, you can totally do it, man. Do it up. The theme is hot potato. Try and beat our hot potato game. I'm just kidding, you can probably do an awesome game. Okay, so scene level 2 takes us to level 3, correct? Correct. And then I'm gonna make scene level 3 take us to, well, I'll just alert you in. Immediately got an idea for it. It says Happy Happy Potato. I'm sure you did. Your username is Happy Happy Potato. That totally makes sense. But feel free to share the idea if you want. I'm already, you know, balls deep in my game, so it's not like I'm going to jack your idea, but if you don't want to, no problem. Okay, here we go. Time to waste these potatoes. Oh, 20 seconds on this one, it's harder. Oh no! Cannot read objects of no. Why not? No, don't be a bug right at the end. Why? Objects of null, that will be in here. Objects. Oh, because we haven't imported it. Doody doy. Doop. Never mind the idea. The idea went pop and I realized it wouldn't work. Haha. Oh, bummer. Sorry to hear that. Okay, run through, waste these potatoes. I don't think we're gonna have time to get sound in here, but that's okay. Sound is one of the things they judge you on, but that's all good. It's all Gucci. I think our game's still pretty sick. I'll try and get sound in here if we have time, but I get a feeling we won't. Ah, crap. Cannot read property 2 of undefined. What the hell does that mean? Ah, balls. Oh! Did I not do that? I know there are winners, but is there a prize? Says Happy Happy Potato. Not that I'm aware of. I think it's just you get like. I think they show your name on the Rock Knight Studio stream for the whole week. I'm pretty sure that's the prize. Nice. Okay, so we're starting with 30 seconds. We'll see if that's any good. You're right, though. It kind of does look like there's a parallax effect on the particles. That's weird. You win! Alright, now let's just get a winning screen and drop that to, I think, 20 seconds again would probably be good. Make it 15, make it hard. Level 3. I think you only have a few minutes left. I know. I'm gonna just... Oh god, I've got like almost 1 minute left. I didn't start right at the start of the stream, but your stream just hit 3 hours. Yeah, exactly. Okay, let's just get this game over scene in there, and then... Or, you win scene, and then, we'll call it a day. You win scene. You win. You win. Okay. Alright, cool. That works for me. You win scene. You win scene. I've made a game in 10 minutes before. It was bizarre. Yeah, no doubt. I love these make a game in like a really short amount of time challenges. They're really fun. It's my kind of thing. Okay, so now we need to change that alert to a this.scene.start scene you win. That'll do it. Okay, let's test this out. See if we can beat our game. Would have been sweet to add some more levels in the sound effects, but make do. And a title screen would have been good, but oh well. Boom, 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 boom. "15 seconds, baby!" Oh god, 15 might be a bit much for this.
Time is up.
Ah, time is up! Okay, well this is our submission then. Oh, game over. Didn't get to the end. Time is up, but I'm just changing one variable. I'm sorry, that was too much. Call me a cheater, I'm sorry. Time remaining 20. Or seconds remaining 20. Okay! Woo! Oh my god. Alright, we did it. We got a game. Close out of this. Didn't see a thing. Here. I will show you a game. It's called Hot Tots. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. So if the timer above your head runs out, you get a game over. But if you roast all the potatoes on the screen or in the level within the time limit, you get to the next level. So, doop, 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 boom, 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 boom. So hopefully 20 seconds is enough to win the last level. Otherwise, I'm pretty boned here. 10, 9, 8. I think it'll be enough. Yeah, it's enough. You win! Awesome. All right. Well, Damon, show me.
Tell them how you really feel.
Guys, this was awesome. I'm gonna save the game and upload it to itch.io, but first I really desperately have to go to the bathroom. So I'm gonna end the stream here. But Happy Potato, I'm gonna get you that Discord link. Discord, where's Discord? Open Discord. Where do you create an invite? Come on, man. Oh, invite people. When do I normally stream? Have I asked that, or have you asked that? I'm still getting back into it, Happy Potato, so I haven't really established a firm streaming schedule just yet, but it's probably going to be on the weekends for now. I'm just getting you an invite to our server. Never 25 of that. 5 pieces. Generating a link. Copy. Okay. Alrighty, here you go. Hopefully I don't get a bunch of sound. Mute that. Ah, I see the follow, Happy Potato. Mute that. Oh crap, can you hear myself? Ah, I see the follow, Happy Potato. There you go. Alright guys, that was a blast. I'm going to go pee, and then I'm gonna get this up on itch.io so that I can submit it. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. And yeah, normal stream time, Happy Potato. For now, let's just say the weekend. Okie dokie. Adios, guys. Hope you have a really good day.